Hello everybody, today I will show you one game against Hikaru Nakamura and Jeffery Xiong. Let's get started. So Hikaru Nakamura holds black pieces and Jeffery Xiong holds white pieces. He starts the game with d4, f5. What is so low? f5. This move is named the Dutch defense. And you know, if d4 we have d5, we have e5, England gambit, we have knight to c6, we have all. But Hikaru chose the move f5. And this move does something. It just stops the pawn go on e5. Knight to f3, knight to f6, c4. And if we play c4, it's not a Dutch defense, but it's English opening Anglo-Dutch defense. g6, g3, bishop to g7, bishop to g2, castle, castle, d6. This move stops any pawn go forward to his hand. Knight to c3, knight to c6, d5. Because most of the time, if the knight moves somewhere, attacking a pawn, not attacking but piling up on the pawn, he will just keep pushing and give one tempo, give one tempo to the knight. Knight to a5, b3, c5, bishop to b2, a6, etc., etc. Knight to g5. This move is so required because he loves to move on this square. Because imagine this bishop is not here. Imagine this bishop is not here. The knight will pop in the whole square of Hikaru camps, and he will fork this guy. Okay? So Hikaru just played rook to b8. He didn't scare. But why he didn't scare? Because, you know what? We have already the bishop. Okay? I'll show you. We have already the bishop controlling this whole direction is the enemy. So, and we can't. So we didn't care of this side propped in. Because if it propped in, we will just take. And this one is so difficult, but we can shut down with queen to c8, and we have nobody protected. Yes, bishop to d5. Well, we can play b5, and it's so difficult to defend. So really difficult. Because if we take the bishop, the whole of the direction of the king side means so very risky. So it's not a good position for white if we play bishop to d5. Let's go back. Okay, queen to d3, and this move do everything. But everybody tells that this move do what? It doesn't do anything. It just moved the queen. I didn't know where. But this queen, you know what? He tried to put the knight here with the protect of this queen, I think. Queen to e6, knight to d1, b5, knight to d1. And right now, this move just remove the knight. Like this, I think. I don't know. b5, queen to d2. Right now, if we play b5 and play queen to b2. Knight to b7, knight move here, Rook to d7, rook to move to d8, a4, and in this case, I think black is not good here. So in this position, I think white cannot exchange this queen because he have an attack. He exchanged his queen. And then with this all this Toma pawn, I think we will push here, and then white is so difficult. Black defend all. Black exchange. Black wants to exchange more pieces, more, and he tried to attack. Check. He are completely losing. He won a pawn, but black is completely losing. And right now he resigned. Because in this moment of time, maybe move the king. He cannot escape by this. Because g2. Nobody can stop. He tried to check. We just move the king. Slide it over. And if you rook takes e2, we just do queen, q1 check, king move. We're still winning. We can stop us. We have queen to g5, a beautiful checkmate with the pawn pin. The pawn is pinned, the pawn cannot move. And it's a beautiful checkmate. Notice this rank is the direction of Hikaru because it's 8. Okay, this is 8. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Chess Academy. Okay, bye bye. Finish.